welcome to HostShield Ltd. In this video, I will be showing you how you can create your own website within 5 minutes only. Experience is not needed, and anyone could deploy his site with our user-friendly interface. First, head to hostshield.net and select a shared hosting package. Then, enter the domain name you would like to use. If you already have a domain name, choose the third option. Then complete the checkout process and wait a few minutes to get your service activated. Now, after getting your service activated, click on your active service, then click Login to Direct Admin. First, you would like to install SSL certificate to your website. Click Account Manager, then choose SSL certificates. And you can then install free SSL thanks to Let's Encrypt feature. Wait a few seconds and you will get a notification that SSL has been installed. Now let's continue building our website. Click Extra Features and choose SitePad Website Builder. Click Create a new site. Then choose a theme which will suit your business. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose a pizza theme. Now fill the required fields and click Proceed with Install. Now your theme has been installed. Go ahead and visit your website, and you will see your theme has been loaded. Now go back to your panel area and click Pages in the left tab. Now you can see your site pages here, and you can choose any page to edit. And basically, this is how you can create a website within 5 minutes with no experience at all. Thank you all for watching, and always stay connected with HostShield. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button.